Good day, guys. Welcome back. Now let's take a look at our GBPJPY. First of all, we all see we've actually done analysis on this GBPJPY right for the week, where we predicted that we will very much likely be getting a bullish move, right? And this is one of the reasons why we actually opened and closed bullish, where I actually entered the trade. I myself, I took the trade. I took the trade from here, right? And we've actually made good amount of pips. I think today we actually made about 250 pips. 250 pips bullish move was made today. So in order to be able to continue, before we actually want to predict where the price will be moving for the next day, right? We would want to actually first of all see the trend of this GBP USD. Let's start it from here, right? Or let's zoom it out, right? If you take a look at it from here, we can this see it as this higher highs. We can take a look at this as a correction on GBP JPY. This will take it as an higher highs again, which broke this previous highs, right? Here comes the correction, and a new higher highs was made, right? That broke this previous highs, right? Now we can consider this as a correction, and we will be seeing a new highs again that will be able to break out this highs. This is exactly what we've predicted this week, right? So this is one of the reasons why today we actually had a bullish move. So the next day, I think we will be having a bullish move, but a little bit of a pullback will occur, right? Now, one of the reasons why I'm saying we will be having a bullish move, let's take a look at it. On the technical aspect of it, first of all, we are on an uptrend move, right? So we should be expecting a new bullish move to break this ice, right? That is reason one. Reason two is that we all know about the increase in interest rates that was released, was not about last week Thursday, right? We all know the how the movement is being made once there's an increase in interest rates. The currency of such country will definitely increase. So we should not be surprised if we actually have a good momentum movement upward on our GBP JPY. So watch out for GBP JPY to be able to take out this level, right? And if you want to actually, those of you that will take, place trade on this moving average, right? I've included the moving average here. We all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once our price is above our moving average, then we have to go long, right? It is a buy, right? But if it is below, we have to short it. So for some times, it has been long on our GBP JPY, and we've actually, gone long. Now we can see it currently it is below it. So if you want to trade this GBP JPY, right, you can possibly wait for a little bit. Once you have a little bit of a movement upward, price will be above the moving average, right? Then you can enter and jump on this trade, right? Then it is not bad, right? You can just possibly wait a little bit, for the 8th. Once our GBP JPY makes a little bit of a bullish move upward, then would have been broken above the moving average, meaning our price will now be above the moving average. Then you can now enter to place your trade on this GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, this is still a bullish move, so watch out for it. Now let's take a look at this for our time frame. So you can see that this is kind of like a huge amount of bullish move, right, on GBP JPY. So do not be surprised if there's a pullback here. The reason is that price would react at a level where price has reacted to previously. If you see price has reacted to a level previously and price get to that same level again, definitely price must react at that same level again. Now take a look at here, right? You all can see a reaction here. Price has once reacted here. You see that once price dropped to this level, kind of like a pullback, and price pushes up. Now that price is at this level, do not be surprised if you have a little bit of a pullback on GBP JPY before we continue our bullish move. Above all, the goal is a bullish move. We would want to go high enough to be able to take out this ice, right? But for the next day, let's see if this GBP JPY can give us a pullback first, which will be bearish on the 4-hour time frame before we continue our bullish move. So it just depends on the amount of pips GBP JPY will make the next day, because I believe we would actually close bullish. But first of all, a little bit of a bearish move should be made. Then once it is being made, then GBP JPY should be able to break above this ice, and we would continue our uptrend upward. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame says. So this 1-hour time frame, we are on a pullback level. So we can take a look at this movement like this: higher highs, higher lows. You can take a look at higher highs, right? New higher highs. Here comes the higher lows, right? You can now consider yes and new higher highs. that broke this previous highs, right? Then let's see if you can have a higher lows, which will serve as a pullback as we are expecting on GBPJPY. After the pullback has been made and it has dropped further down, then you can enter to go long on this GBP JPY for the day.